you guys like Bangladeshi people or not.
Yes, we
So
do.
you have no problem with each other,
No,
right?
no. India and for other political things, people like to show the negative things.
Yes,
But in
yes.
India, we think that Bangladeshi people are our brothers and sisters, and we love them.
Okay. Bangladeshi people. No, no. So maybe it's
Just wait. My neighbor is also Bangladeshi.
Okay, okay.
We are friends like
Yeah,
family.
yeah. That's. Do you have?
Actually, my answer, our ancestors are from Bangladesh.
Of course, you have the same roots.
Yes.
Yes.
बांग्लादेश में इंडिया के खिलाफ इंडियन आउट कैंपेन चल रहा है। वहीं पे बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में जाके लोगों से ये सवालात कर रहे हैं कि आप बांग्लादेश को पसंद करते हैं या नहीं। आप सबको पता है कि बांग्लादेश के अंदर इंडियन आउट कैंपेन 3-4 महीने से जारी है और बांग्लादेश ने इंडिया के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स थे उनका बाइकआउट कर दिया है। बट आज हम आपके एक साथ एक इंटरेस्टिंग सा रिपोर्ट शेयर करने वाले हैं। इस रिपोर्ट में हम देखने वाले कि इंडिया के अंदर इंडियन लोग बांग्लादेश के बारे में सवालात कर रहे हैं कि क्या आप बांग्लादेश को चाहती है, आप बांग्लादेश को पसंद करती है। चलिए आज हम आपके साथ रिपोर्ट शेयर करते हैं कि इंडियन लोगों का क्या रिएक्शन है बांग्लादेश का नाम सुन के और बांग्लादेश को वो पसंद करते हैं या नहीं। तो चलिए आइए आज की रिपोर्ट को करते शुरू।
Guys like Bangladeshi people or not?
Yes, we
So
do.
you have no problem with each other,
No,
right?
no, no. India and for other political things, people like to show the negative things.
Yes,
But in
yes.
India, we think that Bangladeshi people are our brothers and sisters, and we love them.
Okay.
We love their culture, we love their everything, and we speak the same language, that is Bengali, right?
Yeah, and you're the same
Yeah,
roots.
exactly.
Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people? Do you have any issues with Bangladeshi
No.
people? No, no. So maybe it's
Just wait. My neighbor is also Bangladeshi.
Okay, okay.
We are friends like
Yeah,
family.
yeah. That's what I thought.
My neighbor is also Bangladeshi, so we are like family.
Yeah.
Friends.
So do you like Bangladeshi people? Do you have?
Actually, my answer, our ancestors are from Bangladesh.
Of course, you have the same roots.
Yes.
Yes.
No, they are from Dhaka originally. They are from
Okay.
My ancestors are from Dhaka and hers as well.
Okay.
We are called Bangal in
Yeah, you're Bengal. Yeah.
Bengal, right?
You speak the same language.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So you have no issues with.
Yeah, we do have, because we think that like at times they are very ungrateful because their independence are actually because of us.
Yeah. They have.
Very ungrateful.
You have against Pakistan. You have them
Yeah.
in the past
Yes.
against Pakistan.
Yes,
Yeah.
so they are ungrateful. They are very ungrateful. They don't like India at all. In fact, in the COVID time,
Yes.
like half of the vaccination, like whatever happened there, it's because of us. Our Prime Minister actually made it free for them, but they are still
okay.
very ungrateful and they hate Indians.
Okay.
I think they are more connected to us, but they to the world they portray that we are not connected. That
Yeah.
is what is I think it's hurtful for us Indian people, because we take them as our sister neighborhood,
Yes.
but they don't take it otherwise.
You know, like recently our country lost World Cup match and they were literally
The comment
celebrating.
section, oh my God.
They were literally
Okay.
celebrating.
The comment
They were bursting
section.
crackers
Never
and-
read the comments. So that's my question. Do you like Bangladeshi people or not? So no issues.
No, there is no.
All right. So maybe the squabble between the two countries, maybe it's a governmental thing, like it's on a political level. But the everyday people like each other, right? Okay. So no problem with. That's my question. Do you like Bangladeshi people or not? So you have no issues with Bangladesh.
His ancestors are from Bangladesh.
Ah, okay.
My
All right. So I think everybody I ask, like people, everybody like Bangladesh. Maybe it's just the government thing because the two countries doesn't like each other on a political level, right?
On a political level, I don't want to answer.
Yeah, okay, that's okay. I understand. I respect that. But as a people, you have no issues with each other. So what's your answer for the Bangladeshi
We love
people?
Bangladeshi people.
Okay,
We have been to
not
Dhaka
because of the
as well.
camera. You would say the same.
No, we have been to Dhaka as well.
Ah,
We have
okay,
been specially for the event.
so you have no problem.
Bangladesh.
Can I ask you one question?
Yes.
Do you like people from Bangladesh? No? Why? If you don't like Bangladeshi people, can I ask you why? What is the reason?
I don't know. We don't know about Bangladesh.
Have you ever been in Bangladesh?
Bangladesh was originally, it was made because of India, like.
Yes, I know that.
So we don't really have any issues with Bangladesh, but Bangladesh might have an issue with us because you might have heard about the Mexico effect.
Mexico effect? No, I never heard that. What's that?
I even don't know if that's the actual term for it, but
Yeah.
it's like when there's a larger country, the neighboring country kind of feel like subsided in front of the other country. Like,
Because India is so big and Bangladesh is small.
Exactly. If you actually see India's history, we have major problems with Pakistan, not Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So we have bigger enemies. Actually, enemies would not be the right word.
Yes.
Conflicting neighbors. We are friends.
Yeah, yeah.
Young people, especially, we are a new generation, and we like feel friends. We believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam, if you have heard it.
And
The whole world is a big family.
but do you like Bangladeshi people or not? Okay, thank you for your honest answer.
Actually, we don't know Bangladeshi people.
Okay, so you don't know.
Yes, there. You can ask someone else.
Okay, you don't have Bangladeshi friends or?
Yes, I don't have.
Okay, thank you, no problem. Thank you. Like, do you like Bangladeshi people or do you have any issues
we
with?
like Bangladesh and invite us to join. And this time, many people are being Bangladeshi from Bangladesh.
Yeah, many people come here to work and study from Bangladesh. So you have no issues with Bangladeshi.
No, any issue.
Can I ask you two about what do you think about Bangladeshi people for my channel?
Yeah, they are good.
You're not saying just because of the camera.
No.
Okay. And you, what do you think, sir?
I'm a sound designer.
Okay, and what do you think about the Bangladeshi people?
I like them and I have no issue because they can come and doing the study and.
Okay. So what do you think about Bangladeshi people? Do you like Bangladesh or Bangladeshi people or not? You can say whatever.
No, they are good. All people are good.
Yeah, I think the same.
Because we believe in humanity.
Yeah, I think the same. So you have no problem with the Bangladesh?
No, I don't have problem with any of the country people.
They told me the same, that maybe the government has these issues. Like the two government doesn't like each other. But the everyday people like you...
It's about politics. And
the politics.
I don't want to say about anything about the politics, but the thing is that we love human beings.
Yes.
And we love to serve.
By the way, it's not Bangladesh, it's India.
I know, but I came from Bangladesh and they told me to, when I come to India, ask people in India, do they like Bangladesh or do they like Indian people or not? I know it's a controversial question, but just, do you have any...
Controversial.
Yeah. Do you have any problem with Bangladeshi people or do you like them or not? You can say no, it's just...
No, I don't have any problem with them.
Question, do you like Bangladeshi people?
No.
No, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for your answer. If you like Bangladesh people or not?
I like.
You like Bangladesh people? Okay. What's your answer? You like Bangladesh people?
Yeah.
Okay, so no problem.
No problem.
Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Sure, yes.
So you have no problem with them, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you?
No, we don't know, no problem.
India was behind the creation of
You're Bangladeshi?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Like, how do you feel here between Indian people? Do they have issues with Bangladeshi people?
I don't think that they have issues with Bangladeshi people. Because I have seen, what I have seen here, that they are very cordial and they are welcoming to Bangladeshi people.
So there is no problem, yeah.
No.
I like.
You like Bangladeshi people? And you girls? You like Bangladeshi people? Okay, no problem, right?
Thank you.
Okay, ask Indian people if they like Bangladeshi people or not.
Definitely.
Okay. Definitely? So you would say
We
definitely?
don't have any enmity on Bangladesh.
Any issues, right?
No.
Any issues, it's like them.
My sister-in-law is also a Bangladesh.
Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people or not?
I am
So,
liking Bangladeshi people.
do you have no issues with Bangladeshi people? Do you like Bangladeshi people or not?
Yes, I like.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So no problem. Okay. Thank you guys. Do you like Bangladeshi people or not? Do you have any issues with Bangladeshi people or not?
We don't have any issues, but we are just interested.
So no problem. Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Yes, I like.
So you have no
Why
problem?
should I hate?
I don't like Bangladeshi people, but Bangladesh people's.
Why don't you like Bangladeshi people? Why? What's the issue?
Because I don't know any peoples, what types of these peoples, and
Okay. But do you have any Bangladeshi friends or do you know anybody from Bangladesh?
I don't friend.
Okay.
I live with Bihar, and Bihar is very.
In Bihar, north of India.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bihar is a very perfect place.
So do you like Bangladeshi people or not?
Yeah, I like Bangladesh because there are so many people who plays cricket. That's why I know.
You have no problem with Bangladeshi people?
No.
Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people? Do you have any issues with Bangladeshi people? Or is
What reference you are asking?
in everyday reference, like it's a simple question, like do you like them or not? So it's like,
I'll tell you.
No?
So I'll tell you. So what happens here in India is
30% of the population is originally from Bangladesh. Like
Yeah,
before
you have the same
partition-
roots. Yeah.
Before
Yeah.
the partition, they came to India, right?
Yeah.
So the thing is that if you ask 30% of the people here whose origins are in Bangladesh, they'll say that Bangladesh is our mother nation and everything is good over there. But then there will be the rest 70% who are originally residents of India. They'll say that like we hate those people.
Yeah.
So there's a mixed opinion over here.
So for us, I mean, we love it. Yeah.
So you have no issues again.
No animosity. Like we are good with it.
There were many cases of Hindus. Hindu is a religion.
Yeah.
We are Hindu.
Yeah.
So there were cases of Hindus being molested there.
Okay.
Sheikh Hasina coming
near the border, near the Bangladesh, or which part of India?
In Bangladesh.
The Hindu people inside Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But don't know very much about the issue, but there might be some problem.
Okay. So basically, you have no issues. Just you don't like when Hindu people are harassed in.
We have no issues at all.
Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people? No comment? Okay, thank you.
I'm not interested in Bangladeshi people. I am not interested in that. I don't know them. I'm not interested.
Do you have any Bangladeshi friends or no?
I'm not any Bangladeshi friend.
Okay.
I'm from India and from Bihar.
From Bihar. Oh, okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Yes, I like.
Okay, no problem.
No problem.
Okay.
He's very sweet.
Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Yeah, of course.
Do you like Bangladeshi people or not?
Obviously.
You have no problem with Bangladeshi people,
India
right?
and Bangladesh is same country.
I know, same roots, same origin.
Culture, everything is same there.
Yeah.
Only dirty politics divide us.
Do you have any problems with Bangladeshi people?
No.
No problem? So you like Bangladeshi people?
Yeah.
You have no issues?
No issues.
So do you like Bangladeshi people?
Yeah, of course.
So you have no problem with Bangladeshi people?
Bangladeshi people is very
because
beautiful.
You like Bangladeshi people?
Actually, we haven't met or interacted like.
Really? You don't have Bangladeshi classmates no in school? Okay. Do you like Bangladeshi people?
Yes, obviously.
Yes.
As being a neighboring country, we all love our neighbors.
So you have no issues with Bangladeshi people?
No. They come here for medical treatment. We are also doctors. We see many of the Bangladeshi patients.
They come here to study, right?
Yeah. They come here to study. They come here for treatment and all. Medical tourism. India is famous for medical tourism.
Yes.
They come here to treat. We are also doctors.
तो आप लोगों ने रिपोर्ट देखी होगी. हमें जहां तक लगता है तो ये सारा मीडिया का करता धरता है कि मीडिया एक दूसरे के ऊपर आवाजें उठाता है और लोगों के बीच में नफरत फैलाता है. बांग्लादेश के अंदर अगर हम देखते हैं इंडियन आउट कैंपेन तो वो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट और मोदी के गलत फैसलों की वजह से हो रहा है. ना मोदी बांग्लादेश को प्याज की पाबंदी लगाता और ना उनकी इंटरनल मामलात के अंदर मुदाखलत करता. अगर मुदाखलत नहीं होती तो आज बांग्लादेश और इंडिया के बीच में ताल्लुकात बेहतर होते. और ये मैं इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि शेख हसीना प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन रही थी तो बांग्लादेश के अंदर प्याज की किल्लत आ गई. जो बांग्लादेश के अंदर इलेक्शन हो रहे थे नया प्राइम मिनिस्टर मुंतखब होने के लिए तो इंडिया ने क्या किया कि उनकी गवर्नमेंट में मुदाखलत की और काफी सारी चीजें की. तो जिसकी वजह से बांग्लादेश के अंदर इंडिया के खिलाफ लोग हो गए और इंडियन आउट कैंपेन स्टार्ट कर दिया. अभी वीडियो में हमें ये देख सकते हैं और ये देखा जा रहा है कि भाई बांग्लादेश को देख के लोग पसंद करे, बांग्लादेश के बारे में ये बात करे कि भाई बहुत ही जबरदस्त काम हो रहा है, बांग्लादेश को हम पसंद करते हैं. बट मीडिया के जरिए गलत पैगामें पहुंचाई जा रही है, गलत चीजें जा रही है, मुल्कों के बीच में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट किए जा रहे हैं, ये देखा जा रहा है. इंडिया और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीच में जब फाइनल हुआ इंडिया हारने के बाद बांग्लादेश में जश्न मनाया गया था और वो जश्न था ऑस्ट्रेलिया की जीत के ऊपर और इंडियन लोग ये समझ बैठे थे कि ये हमारी हार के ऊपर जश्न मना रहे थे. और इसी वजह से दोनों मुल्कों के बीच में मामलात काफी खराब हुए और वो खराब हुए तो आज तक ठीक नहीं हुए क्योंकि उसके बाद फिर प्याज की किल्लत, प्याज की बंदिश के ऊपर, फिर बांग्लादेश के इलेक्शन और फिर इलेक्शन के बाद आउट कैंपेन के बारे में बात करें तो दोनों चीजों और तीनों चीजों के बारे में अब बात खुल के सामने आ गई है कि बांग्लादेश जो है बिल्कुल आउट कर रहा है इंडियंस को. वहीं पे इंडियन ये चाह रहे कि भाई मुल्क के अंदर जो लोग होते हैं उनके बीच में नफरत नहीं होती, जो नफरत होती है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट या हुकूमत की हद तक होती है. और ये बात कहीं ना कहीं सही भी है कि जो नफरत फैलाई जाती है मीडिया और हुकूमत के अंडर ही होती है.